LangChain just released version 1.0 and I want to take a closer look with you to see whether it's now a framework truly ready for production-grade LLM-based applications. Many say that LangChain is bloated and not production-ready. Our experience in the company I work for with quite a few LangChain applications in production is quite different. I'll show you how we use LangChain 1.0 and LangGraph 1.0 in the way they are designed to be used, without magic, with a clear architecture. So LangChain provides clear building blocks, prompts, models, vector stores and tools. These components all follow a unified execution model called runnables, which can be used in the same way everywhere. This makes it easy to reliably combine and swap components without having to design custom interfaces. So how do we actually build chatbots from these components? First, here's how not to do it. First, stay away from the high-level components with lots of dependencies. They are nice for learning concepts, but they are hard or nearly impossible to customize. They have been rightfully removed into a legacy package called LangChain Classic. As an alternative, there is the LangChain expression language. So we use it minimally as glue between two, at most three components, for example combining a prompt with an LLM component. Once things get more complex, LCL becomes hard to maintain, and what happens in the middle is difficult to trace. For orchestration, we rely on LangGraph, which works as a state machine. The core concepts are nodes and edges. Nodes encapsulate individual steps, such as an LLM call or reading from a vector store. Edges connect the logic between them. A shared state ties everything together. Each node can read from it and write back to it. This allows us to model loops, branches, tool calls and error path without scattering control logic across the code base. So exactly what we needed for our production systems. LangGraph also brings additional tools for modern agent systems, especially short-term and long-term memory. Short-term chat sessions are stored via checkpointers, while long-term knowledge resides in a separate store. This provides a traceable history without having to build a custom memory mechanism. Agents most of the time don't operate fully autonomously. In many cases, human approvals or corrections are necessary. This concept is known as human in the loop. LangChain and LangGraph both support this directly, allowing it to be integrated into workflows without custom implementations. When moving towards production, we can use LangSmith. It allows us to deploy agents directly and gives us true observability for runs, states and decisions which become fully visible. That speeds up debugging, quality assurance and iterative improvement. So in short, LangChain provides the building blocks, LangGraph handles orchestration, and LangSmith powers deployment and observability. Used this way, they form a stable and extensible stack, not in spite of their design, but because of the clarity with which these tools were built.